Whole shot no custom FPV Pitzer 3.86.
Hey, Daph, come here.
God.
Noah Custom FPV Pitzer lap 1 in first. Spencer Screecher
Noah with a
Hobbies
hot
lap 1 in
32,
second.
Spence with a hot 35.
$60 seconds remaining. TJ FPV Gaps Howell lap 1 in third. Noah Custom FPV Pitzer finished in first.
All right, gentlemen, here we go.
Arm your plots. Starting one tone in less than 5. Hot shot Noah Custom FPV Pitzer 3.73. Spencer Screecher Hamitsaro lap 1 in first.
Me too, man. I do too.
Noah Custom FPV Pitzer lap 1 in first.
Noah, the first one around with a 32.
TJ FPV Gaps Howell lap 1 in
Gaps
second.
right behind him.
Matt Unlimited Lewis lap 1 in third. Spencer Screecher Hamitsaro lap 1 in fourth. 60 seconds remaining.
Uh-oh! Custom goes down hard, comes out, recovers, and finishes the race in first place.
TJ FPV Gaps
And
Howell
Gaps.
finished in second.